ibenta mo na bahay mo. Total, nandito ka na, nakatira sa puso ko. Sana naka-off ang ilaw para tayo na lang mag-on. Never mind the lecture. I've been lecturer here for 10 years. And I don't see that I ever improved anybody's IQ. Noodles ka ba? Kasi lucky me. Google ka ba? Lahat kasi nang hinahanap ko sa iyo ko natagpuan eh. Hindi ko alam ang katapusan ng universe, pero alam ko ang simula, you and I. Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan mo eh. Pwede bang tawagin na lang kitang akin? Pointless. Alright, let's go to question and answer. Tanong, paano mo sasabihin sa isang babae na mataba siya, na hindi siya mababastos? Sagot, excuse me, miss, Mang Tomas ba ang lotion mo? Guy 1, kumusta ang exam mo? Guy 2, puro blanco. Guy 1, patay. Guy 2, bakit? Guy 1, baka isipin nila na kopyahan tayo. I never thought I would enter politics when I was studying so hard here in UP to prepare for my professional future. I always thought that I would someday be a rocket scientist or an astrophysicist or even a lion tamer. But I never wanted to enter politics. I was simply forced by circumstance, and I am afraid I was seduced by the young people of this country. Once I entered politics, it became natural, being a civil, God-fearing, law-abiding citizen, for me to lose my temper because politicians are So, kailangan po minsan sa politika para lang mabuhay ka, to survive, if not to prevail, kailangan magmataray ka. Kaya lang, iba naman klaseng taray ito. Itong mga sinasabi na ito. Hindi ko sinasabing maganda ako. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pangit ka. Pag nakikita kita, parang gusto ko mag-sorry sa mga mata ko. Wife, ibili mo akong bagong bra. Husband, huwag ka na mag-bra. Maliit naman boobs mo eh. Wife, bakit ikaw nagbi-brief?